Thanks for stopping by. This is Sophia. I have a quick little project share. I made some cards to give as a gift to my friend. I put together most of these on the live last night, so if you haven't seen that on Christian's channel, go ahead and go over there and take a look, and you'll see a little bit more of how these came together. But I hadn't embellished any of them, so I just wanted to show you guys what I did. And they are all birthday cards. I was going to do thank you and birthday, but I kind of thought if they were thank you, maybe the person wouldn't like feel like it's a good occasion to give them, like maybe they're too fancy for a thank you. Anyways, so the paper that I used this paper pad from Michaels for the bases, and then I used this pattern paper for the rest, and then I used a couple birthday dies that are in my stash from Temu and AliExpress, and then I used some printables from Night Pixie Designs for um, other stuff on here, so you'll see. But this one is going to be the card, like my friend's birthday card that I'm giving her. Her favorite color is purple, and I layered this Feliz Cumpleaños in holographic and also in glitter foam, like a thin glitter foam. And then it opens like this. You could like stand it like that. Um, and I didn't put anything on the middle panel. I thought it was okay. And just used a punch to punch her out. The only thing I didn't like about the digitals is that they all, like, none of them look overtly happy. So that was kind of interesting, but hopefully she still likes it. I am so happy with how these came out. I think they're gorgeous. And so I did two that were in English, happy birthday, and then because of how this didn't have anything in this square, like it looked way too plain, so I did add this almost like an extra window of stained glass or something, and I think they turned out really pretty. And then I sort of just based it off of there's kind of the whole spectrum of rainbow colors in this pad, and they're pastel-y, so it went perfect with the other solid paper. And this one is the only Greeting Farm stamp, and this is from Anya Big Kit 2 or something, I think. But I really just think these are beautiful. The paper like really does all the work for you for the most part. It is a lot of extra panels to embellish. Why is it? But it all worked out in the end. It wasn't as hard to embellish them as I thought. So those are the 5 cards in the set, and let me know which one do you think is the prettiest. And yeah, thanks for stopping by and watching my video, and I'll catch you on the next one.